Hello everyone, my name is Antonio with Showtime and High Caliber Hourglass, and today we'll be doing a toolbox tour. Why are we doing this? Alright, on my first drawer, I got all my wrenches and sockets. Let's start over here. My ratcheting wrenches. They go from 6 all the way up to 24, and I got some offset wrenches, half moon, some adjustable wrenches, a variety of ratchets, half inch, 3/8, quarter inch, different sizes, different lengths to get into different places, locking extensions, quarter inch, and Wobble Plus 3/8 extensions. Also Wobble hex sockets, short and long, metric and standard. Some swivel Torx from 20 to 40. Some triple squares from 6 to 18. And also some inverted Torx from 5 up to 20. And the last two are for the Ford beds, the same ones. Also some Torx from whole set of, let's see, from 8 up to 55. Some magnetic sockets, a 7, 8, 7, 8 and deep. They have little springs, so you can use them on ones with studs. Let's see. Magnet goes in there, keeps the nut from falling off. Also got a set of deep and shallow for quarter inch. Deep and shallow for 3/8 from 8 to 24. Some swivel sockets, impact from 8 to 15. Got some 3/8 also. Some low profile ratchet with the low profile sockets as well. So you get into some tighter areas. Low profile ratchet with the sockets, 3/8. Let's see. Gives you a little bit more clearance as well. Second drawer, I keep all my screwdrivers and pliers, along Phillips and flatheads. Also, same thing with the Torx. It has Allens, it has Torx, and it has Phillips and a flat. Attaching screwdriver. A set of panel poppers, also my pliers, got the needle nose, slip joint, various needle nose, bent needle nose, my
vice grips,
yeah, some Nipex, also another set of bits, just regular long ones for a screw gun, and my picks, plastic panel poppers, long needle nose, long picks, and my panel poppers, various kinds. Third drawer, this is all my glass drawer to do windshields, core glass. Got my scrapers, various scrapers here as well. Switch them out to the sizes, blade sizes. Picks for getting to the channels for the core glass. Just all the materials that I use when I'm prepping the glass. Miniature Torx, screw gun, my screw gun for my WRD glass extractor, cold knife, my push knife, 3 different sizes, and the pipe knives, and my fine knife. Let's see here. And this is my power tool drawer. Got the screw gun, 1/4 inch, electric ratchet, 3/8. Same thing for the guns, 3/8 and 1/4 inch. 1/2 inch impact. My rivet gun, air hammer, and my
Belt sander.
my belt sander. Yes. And right here, I just keep my hammers, tap and die, metric, my files, punch, chisels, brass punches from AQ, rivet guns, plastic and just regular rivet gun. My pry bars. Let's see. Last drawer down here, just some of my welding equipment, my mask, just random clips, my slide hammers. Let's see. This one right here, just the urethane for the windshields, my cups, and our chipper per machine. Let's see, on this one I put all my tools for bodywork, for metal working, my hammers, my dolly, my cold glue to pull out shallow dents. This is to split the seams once you're done grinding out the spot welds. And this is just where I keep all my paperwork for. Just to keep track of the jobs that I've done. That's pretty much it. Okay, thanks for joining us on this quick toolbox tour. Stay tuned because we'll be doing weekly tool reviews.